Okay, in this video we're going to talk about how to take our garage and now put a footer underneath of our foundation wall for the garage. So you can see right now we do not have a footer underneath of our garage. We're going to go ahead and do that, and we're going to center our footer on our 12-inch block wall. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the proper layer to do this. So I'm going to find my FP or fireplace bottom of footer. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that layer. And first thing I'm going to do is going to figure out what wall this is. So I select the wall and take a look at my properties. And this says basic wall, 12 inch. This is the wall that I'm going to be working with to center my footer underneath of. So I'll go over and grab my wall tool. After I grab the wall tool, I'm not going to save right now. I'm going to grab my wall tool. It says basic wall footer. I'm going to go in and just take a quick look to see what's going on with this wall and hit edit. And I can see that the wall I'm looking at is a structural wall, has material, it's concrete cast in place. The thickness is 2 feet thick, and then of course the height is going to be based off of my levels. So that's the wall I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and say okay to all that. And I want the base constraint to be the bottom of the footer, the FPBO footer, and it's going to go up to the bottom of foundation wall, all right, for FPBO foundation wall. So that's where my height comes from. So now I'm going to make sure the wall center line is selected, and then I'm just going to basically go ahead and draw directly across the wall center line, and I'm going to create a footer underneath of my foundation wall. And then I'll just come back to the house like so. Now obviously in a real construction circumstance, we're going to end up probably having to do some type of a lintel on the wall, and then or a ledge on the wall and then a lintel out, because this is all going to be over dug for the foundation. But for this instance, we're going to go ahead and draw this as if the world is absolutely perfect and construction land. So what we're going to do is finish this up. I'm going to hit escape twice. Then I'm going to go ahead and right away hold down control and select the rest of my walls so I don't forget that these need to be put onto the hidden line layer. I'll go right ahead and set up my hidden line 16th, so I have hidden lines set up for my footer. After you can see your footer set up, then what we're going to do is just go back to a 3D view quickly, and I just want to take a quick look to make sure that the footer is in the position that I'd like it to be in, and it certainly looks like I got a footer under that garage. So next thing I'm going to be working with is how to create a front porch.